Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. We're going to talk about this 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 30 for the best gain deals for the week of the 12th to the 17th. So just to go through a couple of things before we talk about the math. Yes, the Dollar General app was down on Sunday, but if you used a desktop computer, you could still load your coupons digitally. As of Monday morning, which is the 12th, I was on the app. It's working perfectly. If the app is ever down, go to a desktop computer and I'm sure you can load your coupons that way. Couple rules about this. The biggest savings obviously will be on Saturday the 17th when the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 stack. That's $10 of savings. Hi, kind of awesome. Make sure that you scan the items in the store and that 5 off of 30 is attaching, and to make sure also that you're picking up the right cents. Bring a pad of paper and pen so you have a little ledger to make sure that you're getting right to $30 on the nose. Any issues you might have, just void the transaction. They will happily do that. Let's not forget, I'm here in Michigan, so these are Michigan prices. If you're living in a different part of the United States, it might be a little bit more or less. And also in some markets, this stack does not work. I'm not sure if it was some sort of computer thing that they changed around or what. But I know here in Michigan it does work, so, just be cautious of that and don't be shy to void your transactions. Just to give you guys a little peek, I did one of my deals a couple weeks back and it worked beautifully. As you can see, those little S's when they stack one on top of the other, that means that the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 are working together brilliantly. And also to let you know, I was just doing a regular 5 off of 25 last weekend. I was like a quarter short from getting that 5 off of 25 to work. So I asked the cashier to void the transaction after she pressed the final pay button. All of the digitals still on my store card. I went back, grabbed another quarter of merchandise, and boom, presto magic, it worked beautifully. And so don't be shy to ask for that void. They will do it for you. Before we dive into the mathematics of this video, if you could please stop and give this video a big thumbs up, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and to ensure that the gain video doesn't end up in like YouTube Siberia. So please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Okay, deal number one. Let's talk about what we're going to do. This one is digital. So we have our digital 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have that one loaded. And just to note, all digital coupons are of a one-time use. And then the Saturday coupon, which is the 5 off of 25. So this one is 100% digital. Anyone can do it. We're going to grab one of these items off of this bingo chart, whatever you want. I'm always like, get fabric softener. I'm obsessed with fabric softener. So if you wanted to get the detergent or the pods or something, go for it. $3.95, we have a $1 digital coupon, but whatever one item you want off of this. And then, of course, because I'm so predictable, there's Old Faithful there for $3.95. I just love these fabric softeners. I think they're amazing. And then off of this little chart here, we're going to grab one of these 51 count of the Gain Flings for $13.50. And there's also a $3 digital coupon that's attaching to that. So in the store, look for this guy. And then please use the Dollar General app and scan. Sometimes some of these cents don't work with that $3 coupon. It's quite goofy. These are the digitals that we need. The $1 and then the $3. So those two. So make sure you have them loaded. And then we're going to grab two of these Gain small spaces. So Febreze with the Gain scent small spaces, they're $3 a piece. And then we need this 3 off of 2 digital coupon loaded for this little dealio. And then the final item that we're going to grab to get our basket right to 30 is this big mama for $6.95. Gain detergent. I didn't go with a fabric softener, so that's great for me. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the mathematics for this deal. One Gain fabric softener for $3.95, the smaller one. One Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. Two of the Febreze small spaces at $3 a pop is $6, and then one Gain detergent for $6.95. Adding all of that up together, guys, you have a total of $30.40. As the cashier scanning the merchandise, that's when I would punch in my phone number. The cashier presses the pay button. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. The 3 for the 51 count, the $1 for the fabric softener, and then the 3 off of 2 for the Febreze small spaces. So you're left with paying $14.40 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.88 per product. Not a bad little dealio. Okay, so now if you might have this $2 coupon from last weekend's savings insert, it savings now, formerly the Retail Me Not, formerly Red Plum. So they've changed the name of this insert 3 times, but it is that insert. It's now called savings. So it would be from the April 11th, and it's a $2 off. Now we're going to augment the last deal with 1 paper coupon. To jog you through this again, 1 Gain fabric softener for $3.95, 1 Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50, 2 Febreze small spaces at $3 a piece, that's 6, 1 Gain detergent for $6.95. You're punching in your phone number as the cashier's scanning all that magic, $30.40. You're going to present 1 $2 coupon and smile and give her all the razzle dazzle and twirl 18 times at the cash register. She presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with $6 of digitals, an extra $2 off here. So $12.40 for the 5 items, or $2.48 each. You know, if you have that 1 insert coupon, throw it in and makes it a much better deal. The final 2 deals that we have include paper coupons. Okay, so we're going to need our 2 cornerstones for this little dealio that include the 5 off of 25. So I'm suggesting you go on a Saturday to try this one, along with the 5 off of 30. So you're going to need these 2 bad boys to make this deal happen. The first item that we're going to grab is one of these guys for $13.95. It's the 150 fluid ounce of the Gain detergent. And so this is the one you're going to grab, one of these. Now in that savings insert, we have a $3 off. And as you can see, it's going to work with this very generous coupon too. And then we're also going to grab this guy for $13.50. And then we have a digital coupon, which is this one that's going to attach to the 51 count of the Gain Flings. And then off of the bingo chart, we're going to grab one of these items, whichever one you want, but please make sure the 5 off of 30 is attaching along with the $1 digital coupon for this. So grab one of these products. And then we have this $1 digital coupon for this little dealio. Okay guys, so looking at the math for this one of the Gain detergents 150 ouncer is $13.95. 1 Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50, and then 1 Gain fabric softener at $3.95. But if you want to get something different other than a fabric softener, anything off of that chart. So the total for your basket here is $31.40. Punch in your phone number as the cashier's scanning everything, and then you're going to present that one $3 coupon from the savings insert, and then the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $4 of digital manufacturers when she presses the pay button, he or she. You're left with paying $14.40 out of pocket for the 3 items. It is $4.80 per product, but these are the larger, you know, detergent items, so I don't think this is the worst deal. Okay guys, the final little dealio that we have again with paper coupons. You need this guy loaded, which is the 5 off of 25. So again, I'm encouraging you to go on a Saturday and try this out, along with the 5 off of 30. So the first item that we're going to grab is 2 of these ones, which is the $3.95 Gain product. So whatever you want, or you can get 2 fabric softeners if you want to do exactly what I would do. But like whatever you want off of this bingo chart, or if you want a fling and a fireworks, or the dryer sheets, or 2 dryer sheets. And then this digital we're going to need loaded. As you can see, it's expiring on that Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And then from that savings insert, we're going to need this guy as well, one of these for this little dealio. So 1 digital and 1 paper. And we're also going to grab one of these guys for $6.95, which is a larger Gain detergent. So one of those. And then from that same savings insert, there is a $2 coupon that we're going to use for this one. So make sure that you have that one clipped to present to the cashier. And then we're going to need one of these Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. And then we need Old Faithful loaded for this little dealio. As you can see, this guy expires on May the 1st. So we got a couple of weeks to use it. And then one of these Gain dish soaps for $2 on the nose. And you see that barcode, if you give it a little scan, there is no coupon for it, but see how this 5 off of 30 is attaching? Thus, you know you're grabbing the right one. So you want to see this on every item that you're scanning in store. So that is your little piece of homework, that you want to see this stack when you're in the store. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Gain products at $3.95 is $7.90, 1 larger Gain detergent for $6.95, and then 1 Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $2. So the total for your basket here is $30.35. As the cashier is scanning products, punch in your phone number, and then you'll present a $1 and a $2 coupon from the savings insert of April the 11th. And then when the cashier presses the pay button, 5 off of 30, 5 off of 25 is coming off, along with $4 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $13.35 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.67 per product. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.